Boom, we are live. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Justin, Twitter enables crypto and stock trading in a partnership with eToro. We covered this, talked about it, and now it is a reality. This is coming out from Watcher Guru here today, just around a couple hours ago while I'm recording this. And again, Twitter enabling crypto and stock trading in a partnership with eToro. So if you don't remember exactly the ins and outs here of what happened, Twitter has officially enabled crypto and stock trading through its partnership with eToro. I think there's much more to come here, but the move arrives following news earlier this week surrounding the collaboration between the two companies, initially allowing the observation of real-time stock and crypto price watching. So the integration of this digital asset industry and the social media platform has been slowly building. And I think Twitter is just gearing up here, guys. I think this is just the beginning. The platform initially launched a feature back in December that allows users to search for a ticker or coin symbol to observe prices, consequently enabling stock trading. Now is the latest development of those efforts. And again, this is all through this partnership with eToro. The connection here between Twitter and the digital asset industry has been an interesting one to observe, especially with Elon Musk now at the helm. He's been long connected to the meme coin Dogecoin. Now, the social media platform has slowly integrated various aspects of the industry into its features. We know that Twitter wants to build their own wallet, but now Twitter has enabled crypto and stock trading through its ongoing partnership with eToro. Subsequently, the social network and the investment platform have developed a place for users to observe prices while enabling the trading of various assets. This coming from CNBC, they noted that the eToro partnership represents a rarity for Musk-owned Twitter. Conversely, the move certainly aids in the ongoing mission to develop the platform into a super app that offers financial services to users on a variety of levels. Of course, we'll be keeping tabs on this as things continue to progress. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. If you want more crypto content and financial content, it's right here on this channel. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.